Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. It goes a long way. And let's get to it. This shoe I ordered December 29th. You see the description. I ordered it December 29th. A lot of people got the shoe like around now. It took them, they told us wait 10 to 15 business days to ship. All together, it's been almost a month, I think. Yeah, almost a month. This Saturday would have made a month. I just got the shoe in Friday. So not much else to say, man. Still, I mean, I wasn't tripping because I'm not going nowhere, but dope shoe. Undefeated. You see the box, you know what it is. Size 13. And let's get to it. Now, before that, they dropped the pack. People who ordered the pack got theirs pretty quick. The pack had both colorways. I didn't get the pack because I didn't want both. I just wanted this one. This is the one I had to have, man. Undefeated Air Max 97s. You know it. These joints are hard. Has the Undefeated branding on the inside, has the Undefeated branding on the tongue, and as of course you can see it all around the shoe. Now my boy Dirty, actually I was on a show, Fit Fridays. I'm gonna put the link to that it's an IG episode. I'm gonna put the link to that IG episode in the description as well. This shoe came out, he said, I think 2018, he said Complex Con. And they gave out a ticket or something, and they had exclusive access to this shoe at Complex Con a few years ago. And we're just getting the general public, we're getting this pair, but I can't complain, man. This shoe is just, I mean, what can you say about it? You know, and I'm not honestly I wear Air Max, of course I have a collection, but I don't own any 97s. I've seen some 97s I like, and by the time I'm ready to pull the trigger, when the price drop, sold out my size. So I was glad I was able to get this one. This one is dope. I like this shoe. I'm not gonna take too much of y'all time. Oh, actually it's a combination of like is this a leather or a suede? Like this is leather around here. I honestly thought this was like a suede nubuck material, but this is like a leather around here where it says Undefeated. This is leather. So this is pretty dope. Yeah, I like that. And I think the side, no, it's not translucent. Okay, and as you can see, the air pocket on the inside, the zoom, it's green. It's like that same military green. Overall dope shoe, man. I can't complain. There's nothing else really much to say about it, but let's just get to the feet with it. So let's go.